This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making another Filipino classic, Lumpiang Shanghai. But instead of deep frying it, we are making a healthier version by baking it in the air fryer.
Please like, share and subscribe to my Busy Daddy Cooks.
We'll start with 250 grams of ground pork. Into this, add 1 stalk of spring onion. Now, grate in 4 cloves of garlic on the fine grate side. $100 grams of onions using the coarse side. Use a knife to chop up the onions that you are unable to grate with your fingers. Always remember that you can always buy more onions, but you can never buy more fingers. Next, put in 100 grams of carrots, also using the coarse side. Now, add the seasoning. That's 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. Put in 1 egg. Give this a good mix. For the wrappers, I have here some spring roll wrappers from the supermarket. Its size is about 12 cm by 12 cm. Gently separate them into individual sheets. Put a teaspoon of the pork mixture onto the sheet. Then, simply roll it up. Brush both sides with a little oil. Now, put them in the air fryer in 1 layer. Set the temperature at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Fry them till they are golden brown. Alternatively, you can deep fry these in a pot with about 2 inches of oil. Serve these with your favorite chili sauce. I like to use the sweet Thai chili sauce here. This is the less oily air fryer version of Lumpiang Shanghai.